What's going on YouTube? Welcome back to the channel. My name is Brian Noonan. In today's video, I want to give you some pointers and some tips and some advice on how to properly do product research right now with COVID-19, the coronavirus going on, with Amazon having shipping delays and shipping cancellations and FBA shipping bans. A lot of the data right now on Amazon, if you are doing product research, is skewed. There's a lot of data points like BSR, price, reviews that are really off. And so I want to teach you how to navigate your way through product research right now. If you are in product research phase, how to navigate your way through and get the actual data that you need to make an informed, good business decision. Also, I want to share with you the best categories and products that I am looking at right now and helping my students find for launching an Amazon FBA business. I want to push you and motivate you to continue pushing forward even with the virus outbreak. We're going to be looking for products and opportunities, whether the virus and quarantines last a month or 6 months. There's still wildly successful FBA products out there. And in today's video, I want to share those with you, which opportunities and categories would be the best. Also, there's some updates from Helium 10. Helium 10 is the product research software tool that I use, and they're coming out with 4 new tools or features inside of their software. And so I want to give you a preview of what those software tools and features are and what they're going to help you with. And then I want to teach you how to use the Helium 10 graph, the sales graph, to look at past sales data so you make sure you're doing the best job analyzing products. But welcome to the channel. If you're new, my name is Brian Noonan. I'm a full-time Amazon FBA seller and mentor. And on my channel, I share course level information for free that others would be charging for. I release 1 to 2 new awesome videos per week, just like this one. So if you are new to the channel, please consider hitting that subscribe button down below. I can see each and every one of you who subscribe, and I appreciate all of you guys who subscribe, especially new subscribers. Also, smash that thumbs up button. It helps my channel, helps support my videos and getting my message out to more people. I went from a dead-end hospitality job working till 2 in the morning as a banquet manager and bartender, all the way to being able to do Amazon FBA full-time and be a successful small business owner. There, I hope you're staying safe and healthy. Get into today's video. Okay guys, welcome inside my computer. First of all, let me start off with what's new and what's upcoming with Helium 10. If you're not familiar with Helium 10, Helium 10 is the software, product research software and suite of tools that I use for expanding my Amazon business. They're really becoming, and they are, an all-in-one product research software company. And they're coming out with 4 new tools. And so tomorrow they are releasing a webinar where they're going to be revealing these tools, but here's kind of a preview on what those tools are. So number 1, help pull in outside traffic to your listings with ease. So if you're not familiar with ZonRanker kind of helps you set up Facebook ads and get reviews. I think they're going to be coming out with some type of feature to run Facebook ads or to help generate outside leads and traffic like Facebook ads and managing that. Number 2, gain the most competitive view of your market share. I'm not really sure about this one. The most competitive view of your market share. I don't know if that's going to be kind of an analysis of a opportunity or a niche score. Not really sure on that one. Number 3, keep a pulse on your business. So right now, Helium 10 has profits. They have inventory alerts. They have Refund Genie. So they really have a lot of features and tools already for keeping track of returns, refunds, inventory alerts, hijackers. So I think this will be another add-on to help you with your business and your profits. Number 4, take the anxiety out of Amazon PPC campaign management. This is the one I'm most excited about. If this is a tool to help with Amazon PPC, it's going to be game changing, and I will really hope that you'll use the link down below to grab Helium 10 software tools right now. I have a discount there that'll take it from $97 down to only $48, and you'll have access to it for a whole month for only $48, 50% off. This would be awesome if they come out with a PPC tool, and we are expecting that any day. Let's get right into where are the proper products and opportunities that I'm looking for right now. What I recommend doing if you are in product research phase, and please continue pushing forward regardless of what's going on. You know, those of you who continue pushing forward, overcome your fear and your objections and launch a product during these times will have the highest chance to make money and success. I have products right now that I'm selling more than I ever have, and they are not cleaning products or disinfecting products. I'm selling wildly crazy amounts of units every single day for certain products. Now, what type of products would be best? That would be health and household products, beauty and personal care products, pet supplies, and baby. Those have the highest chance to let you continue shipping inventory into Amazon, to be prioritized inside Amazon's algorithm, and people are going to continue shopping from home with all the quarantines going on. Here is how I recommend you do product research right now. With all of the data and the product research information being skewed or off because of all the out of inventory sellers that are out there, the competitors don't have any inventory, with the long shipping delays, with returns and cancellations. Here's how I would manually do product research. Go into one of those categories I just mentioned, health and household, beauty and personal care, home and kitchen, industrial and scientific, health and household. We're going to go into those categories. Let me show you how to do this. So let's go health, household, and baby care. And what we're going to do here is I've chosen the category. You're going to put dash, and then you're going to just type in a bunch of letters. Then you're going to press enter. And then here we go. We can kind of go down to like household supplies. Go into these categories one by one. We'll just leave it here, and then run your extension, run X-Ray or run Jungle Scout Chrome extension, and pull up the extension on all of these products. And what I recommend you do is manually go through here and look for product opportunities and products that have low reviews that are making a ton of money. And then type in the main keyword of that product inside Amazon.com, and then see the entire market and all the sellers out there, and then run the extension on that page. So here's a great way how I'm manually doing product research. I'm going into a specific category. I'm doing dash, health and household, beauty, personal care, baby, pet supplies, industrial, scientific are the categories I'm recommending right now that you look into. There's no shipping bans. They're household essentials. They will do the best regardless of this last 1 month or 6 months. Then I'm typing into the search bar dash and then a bunch of letters, and then I'm running the extension, and here I'm looking for low reviews and doing really good revenue. Now obviously toilet paper is doing really good, but there's some other products in here that I found that are really good, not like this UV sanitizing light. Let's take a look at this one together. Now I want to show you what I mean. I typed in UV sanitizer wand. Now let's run the extension, and I want to show you how skewed the data is right now and why it's so harder than ever to make a good judgment. You can see here, number one, a lot of the revenues are NA, which is not showing me how much money they're making. It's really hard to make a good analysis and a decision when half the data is missing. I can't see how much these products are making because they're either new, they haven't been selling long enough, they're in and out of stock so frequently with how high demand there is for this product. And then look at the reviews. Almost all of the reviews are 0, 0, 0, 0. Now, obviously this could be okay. All these products are new, brand new on the market, but it's hard to say because these products could be selling for a while, and it's very hard to make a business decision to invest in this product when all of the revenues, half the revenues are missing, and almost all of the reviews say 0. So be careful. Here's one thing you can do is if you were going to do this product, the next step I would do is I would recommend you open up each of these listings and go through here and go down to the Helium 10 sales graph that will load once you download the Chrome extension. Click all time. Now we can learn two things from this graph. Number one, where the red line starts is when they started selling this product. So we can see they started selling this product March 11th, where the red line starts here, actually 3/9, March 9th. Okay, so you can see the BSR is the red line. It's come down. They started selling here. And then the line is the price. What price have they been selling this product at? And this is how you could manually go in one by one and get data to find out, okay, here's this product, open the listing up. Now you know exactly how many reviews it has. Sometimes it'll say 0 on X-Ray, but it's actually got 50 reviews on the listing. And then go down to the Helium 10 sales graph, click all time, we can see this product launched last September. So this is a good listing to analyze because it's been selling before the outbreak of COVID-19, the coronavirus. And then we can see it launched here in the end of August of last year. The sales rank went up and then it's dropped, and it's been selling very good since November of last year. And so this is what I would recommend you do. Go in here and analyze the sales graph and the price history and how many reviews it has. You can also click keywords. You can click keywords. I would recommend going into magnet and typing in UV sanitizer wand inside magnet. I'm inside Helium 10. And what you can do is pull up related products to that product to get other product ideas down here. So maybe UV sanitizer wand is just over competitive. There's too many brand new sellers who have jumped into that market and you're just uneasy. You could come into here, magnet, type in UV sanitizer wand, and then look at all of these other, and I hit search volume to sort highest to lowest. And then you have a whole bunch of other related products that may be very, very good. I was in industrial and scientific and I found this product. I like industrial and scientific right now because labs are working overtime. Labs, hospitals, healthcare systems, and places are working overtime to develop a cure for COVID-19 coronavirus. And so I like industrial and scientific because there's a lot of products inside there that are really good. I use the dash method and I've already found 2 or 3 really good products inside industrial and scientific. Here's one, colored masking tape. Search volume is good, BSR is good, average revenue is good, average reviews is actually really low. So this is another thing. I think colored masking tape can be used inside a lab, inside crafts, inside home and kitchen. Let's see what category this is selling in. This is in tools and home improvement mostly, but you get the idea. So use the dash method inside those categories that we talked about. Make sure you're analyzing, opening up each of those listings to look at the review counts, to look at the BSR, to look at the sales history and the price. And then stay tuned for Helium's 10's new features and tools that they will be releasing March 25th. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. I really enjoyed making it for you. Please stay safe and healthy out there, and I'll see you in my next video.